Okay, so the question is how to use Gearbubble. So basically, there's a couple different ways that you can use this. Number one, you can start your brand, which means you can start your own e-commerce store. So you just click that, and let's open that in a new tab. It'll take you here to a page that it's basically called Gearbubble Pro, this version. So what it does is it allows people to create their own storefront, and basically it charges you, I think it's a monthly fee, but you get a free 14-day trial. And the point of this program is to kind of compete with places like Shopify. So that's why he made it. And actually, there's my fugly mug on there. So you can see that I use it. I like it, and it does convert a little bit better than Shopify does. So it's very good that way. But you can see that. So you basically pick your name, add your company branding and logo and all that. Then you add products, and then you set up your payment processor, which can be like PayPal or Stripe. And then you start sending customers to your site and you make sales. So you basically get your own online store with this, and it's very, very powerful. And there's a lot of bells and whistles that go with it. So it's just a really, really good way to start. Now, the other way is you can actually do this little launch product thing. And what that means is instead of creating a store, you're going to use your own domain. Like you can have a white label domain, but Gearbubble will handle the printing, the shipping, the customer service. They'll take the order, and then you can actually withdraw money from them daily if you want. So the beauty of that way, it's called the platform. So Gearbubble Pro is like the store, and Gearbubble just launching a product directly on the site is the Gearbubble platform. So that's how you can use them. That's the main way that I use them because I really don't like doing customer service. Okay, that's why I use them. So there's also, you can sell on Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. Gearbubble has, let's click on it. Let's see if this goes. So if say you want to sell on Etsy, well, they actually have Etsy integration. So what happens is you would launch your product here on Gearbubble, and then you would upload it to Etsy through the API. And then when you get a sale on Etsy, Etsy will contact Gearbubble like automatically, and it will fulfill the order for you. So it's a very cool integration, works very well. Here's the basic gist for that. It's called like drop shipping, but with Etsy. So create a design, upload it, click auto fulfill to Etsy, click new product to Etsy, take sales on Etsy. So you would have an Etsy store. It's just it would be fulfilled by Gearbubble, and then sales import to the dashboard automatically. They fulfill it, and then there's tracking number updates sent back to Etsy, to your store, to the customer, and it's all automated. It's a very, very, very cool system. So I've used this too. I love it. It's awesome. And you can do that not only with Etsy, but you can do it with Amazon as well. So Amazon is like the biggest, online store in the world. So you can sell Gearbubble products that you create. You can sell them on Etsy too, or sorry, Amazon. So there's a whole bunch of different ways for us to do this and go about it. And I use them all. So probably the first one I started with was this launch product one where I would launch it right on Gearbubble. And then recently Gearbubble allowed us to do like white label domains, so that was pretty cool. But if you're looking like how to use Gearbubble, you can create your own store using Gearbubble Pro, or you can use a platform, which means that you're just launching products, but you don't really have a store. So you're kind of creating sales pages for your products on Gearbubble, and you're sending the traffic there. Or you could launch on Amazon, eBay, or Etsy, and you can have Gearbubble fulfill all the orders for you. So super powerful. You can see the numbers here, like over 5 million products shipped, 150,000 sellers globally, 130 million plus in sales processed, and just tons of customers, and a really good star rating too. So 4.3 out of 5. I mean, with physical products and e-commerce, you're going to get, to get a 5 out of 5 is virtually impossible. Somebody will always have an issue with you. So here's the main ones that they're pushing. But if you got a design, you just want to put it on there, you can do that too. So I love Gearbubble. I've made over 7 figures from it, so it's one of my favorites, and the owner's pretty cool too, so I know him personally. Anyway, that's how I use Gearbubble. That's how it works. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll see you soon.